Best Luxury Sports Cars for 2024 BMW 8 Series. In the realm of luxury sports cars, the BMW 8 Series has long been celebrated for its seamless blend of opulence and performance. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the latest releases for 2024, the arrival of the all-new 2024 BMW 8 Series has sparked excitement and anticipation, solidifying its place among the best in its class. The 2024 BMW 8 Series arrives with a plethora of updates and enhancements aimed at delivering an unrivaled driving experience that seamlessly combines luxury and performance. From its sleek exterior design to its meticulously crafted interior, every aspect of the 8 Series exudes sophistication and style, setting it apart as a true icon of automotive excellence. Under the hood, the 2024 8 Series boasts a range of powerful engine options, including turbocharged 6-cylinder and V8 variants, each delivering exhilarating performance and dynamic acceleration that's sure to thrill drivers. With its rear-wheel drive configuration and advanced suspension system, the 8 Series offers agile handling and responsive steering, allowing drivers to conquer corners with confidence and precision. But it's not just about performance. The 2024 BMW 8 Series also impresses with its luxurious interior, featuring premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and a range of cutting-edge technology features. From the comfortable and supportive seats to the intuitive infotainment system and advanced driver assistance technologies, every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience and ensure that occupants feel pampered and connected at all times. As one of the best luxury sports cars for 2024, the BMW 8 Series represents the epitome of automotive excellence, combining breathtaking performance with refined luxury in a package that's as exhilarating as it is elegant. Its iconic design, legendary performance, and uncompromising attention to detail ensure that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand the very best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2024 BMW 8 Series stands out as a true icon, a symbol of German engineering prowess and automotive innovation. With its blend of luxury, performance, and style, it continues to capture the hearts and imaginations of drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best luxury sports cars of 2024 and beyond.